Hello, today we are going to learn for Power Automate.
So today I'm going to show you how to retrieve this column out of this table and then delete its duplicates and finally sort the list. This is a pretty simple flow. And first we need to launch the Excel. We are going to open with the following document. This document is called list of boxes, and here I have it. I'm going to right click and select it, right click and copy as route. I'm going to close it. I'm going to paste here and delete it, quotation marks. And yeah, I'm going to save it. And then I'm going to read from the worksheet. And here in the retrieve, I'm going to select all available values from worksheet. And the first column, the first row of the table has the column names. So I'm going to select this and save it. And then I'm going to retrieve. There's an action that is called retrieve as list. So I'm going to use it. This action, retrieve data table column into list. So the data table is going to be the Excel data, and the column name that I'm going to retrieve is called category. And then that data is going to be stored in this column as list. I'm going to call it categories. I'm going to save it. And once that we have this column retrieve, I'm going to delete its duplicates. So I'm going to look for duplicates, and here we have it. Remove duplicate item from list. I'm going to put it here, and this needs the list to remove the duplicates, and it's called categories, and then save. And finally, I'm going to sort the list. Sort, and also the list here is categories. Save. And I'm going to display the list, the final list in a message. So message, display message. This is list of categories. And here we have categories again. So I'm going to run. And here we have it. I'm going to open this and put this here. So as we can see, we have BBC, Channel 4, Comedy Central, Netflix, and Now TV. As you can see, none of those it's duplicate, so this is a very simple test.